Today I'm going to talk to you about this styling brush. It's the Revlon One-Step Hairdryer and Volumizer. That's the box it comes in. That's what you get in the box. So my hair, if you can see it, it's very long, has been sort of towel dried to a damp state, and I'm going to use this to show you how to dry and volumize. It's got like an oval shape to it, I don't know if you can see, and this bit's like a cool tip so I can hold on to it. It's got 3 heat settings. It's got a cold, warm 1 and warm 2, so I'll experiment with those, and that's it really. So normally I section off my hair when I do stuff, so I'll just be doing that without even bothering with a comb or anything. It'll be fine. The brush has like detangling bristles, so I wouldn't even bother brushing it beforehand unless it's really bad. So I've got these clips that are really cheap. I think they're probably from the pound shop or something. Something like that will do for you. Take the big top section of hair and leave the bottom down for styling. I'm going for sort of like a straightish volume look ideally, but my hair's quite wavy, so a curl might get added along the way. I'll just zoom out so you can see my hair a little bit better, and I'll sit a little bit further back so you can see the extent of it. And you just slide this to turn it on. So I was trying to keep it near the top to try and keep a bit of volume from the root, and I'd say it dried quite quickly. It wasn't a hot heat setting. I did feel quite warm near my face, but it didn't burn me or anything. So I'm just going to do a few more segments now. That didn't take too long. I've got lots of quite thick hair. Normally blow drying's quite an ordeal, but this was good, and I think it looks so shiny. I'm just going to give it a quick blast on cold because I think that tends to like help it stay in sort of style really. I think when it's cool styled, or when you finish it with cool, it just sort of sticks a bit better. I'm really happy with that. My arms didn't get tired. Usually when you blow drying with a hairdryer and a brush, you get like tired arms, or I do. I've got so much hair. It's not fly away. It's got a volume, but it's not puffy. That's the fringe that I've tried to grow out. I need to get that bit trimmed again, I think. Yeah, I'm really impressed. It's so shiny. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I think that's brilliant. The head doesn't rotate. I don't know if you could see that from the video, but I don't think it needs to. I didn't get my hair caught up in it or anything. I didn't brush before I started. I just used that as a brush. So yeah, absolutely brilliant. I'm really, really impressed with that. I can't believe how shiny my hair is. Gonna admire it a bit longer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll do loads of this sort of beauty stuff and some other bits. So just subscribe. Best thing to do.